Welcome viewers to this presentation on guest resident card. It has various names. Sometimes it is called as key cards. In this picture, you can notice it is called as resident card. This is to be understood as the guest identification card for all resident guests. So this format is of our institute, our college, IHM Hajipur. It's a very old format. We have preserved it digitally, and we can see the details here. So contact details of the hotel is here, but there is a reverse portion of this card as well, which we need to see. This is the reverse of it. Let me zoom it for you. As you can see, this card is issued to someone. So their name is written over here. Whatever is not applicable is struck off like with a red ink or black ink. Name is mentioned here. Room number is written over here. The room rate is mentioned here. The plan we have discussed before. Uh, the simplest plan in a hotel is European plan, which only entitles a guest to the accommodation in a room, in a specific room. And no food is provided in European plan. In other plans, there's a video on this on my channel. In other plans, food is also available, but the guest has to pay a higher price for the room. Arrival date, departure date. So, what is the use of this card? We'll discuss. Let us first read all this instruction which a hotel provides to the guest. I'll read it for you so that it is useful. For your own security, this card must be produced while obtaining your key from the desk or while signing a voucher in any restaurant or in your room. So, what this paragraph tells us is that this key will serve as two purposes. First thing is, whenever a customer leaves the hotel, they are requested to deposit the room key with the hotel. And when they come back, they must produce this key card as a proof of identification to obtain their keys from the front desk. And this voucher will make videos for vouchers. A voucher is prepared for any transaction on credit in any point of sale. So, for instance, if a guest goes to a restaurant and he orders food there, then the guest may either pay in cash immediately, or the guest may choose to simply sign a document called voucher, and then that voucher will be sent to the front desk where it will be entered into the main guest bill. We'll make a video for main guest bill also shortly. And this privilege to sign a voucher and enjoy all services, food, beverages inside the hotel, which is called charge privilege, is only possible is if the guest produces his key card, his resident card. The second instruction is, in case of any assistance, please contact the duty manager. Duty manager is a senior front office manager. It is not the FOM, it could be a lobby manager, and there are senior supervisors also who could be assigned the task of duty manager. And for every shift, normally a hotel will have 3 shifts of 9 hours each, 8 hours each, because the hotel is open 24 hours. So there will be 3 duty managers on each day. Guest is supposed to contact duty manager in case of any difficulty. Then the third instruction is, please deposit all valuables in the lockers available with the cashier. In case of theft or loss of valuables, hotel management shall not be responsible. So this is something to do with security. This is a hotel's responsibility, and if a guest ignores it, then the hotel can always argue in a legal case that we had instructed our guests to use safety locker, and since they have not used it, it is their fault, and therefore we cannot be blamed for any losses. So this is a legal aspect. Checkout time, it is mentioned once again 12 noon. So guest cannot argue that I was not told, and he must vacate the room by 12 noon or be prepared to pay extra charges for his room. I'll zoom it a bit more because there is a camera in this video and it might be covering certain portions of the video or the document here. And then the last thing, no, fifth thing is kindly return this card and the room key while settling your bills. There's a printing mistake here, it is settling your bills. So when guest is leaving and finally paying their bills, they are supposed to deposit the key and this card as well, because like we said, this card can be used for credit purchase in any point of sale. So a guest may return the room keys to us, go out of the hotel, and again re-enter the hotel and go to coffee shop, show his key card, and obtain some food service in the coffee shop. Nobody would know that this guest is actually a checkout guest or he has settled his bill. However, a hotel has better system and it is not really possible. But still, as a matter of precaution, we ask the guest to deposit the key card and card key both while checking out, while settling their bills. And finally, the politeness, the hospitality. We wish you a comfortable stay. Since this is issued during check-in, at check-in, so this is a nice way of building a relationship with the guest by wishing them a comfortable stay. And then you would notice that there is a space for signature of guest. So this signature of guest uh, is used, this part while signing a voucher. Please look at this line here, signing a voucher. So since guests can obtain expensive food and beverages and services inside the hotel just by producing this key card as a proof of identity, so the hotel ensures that this document is signed by the guest so that the signature on the voucher can be compared with this signature on the key card, resident card, welcome card. And the receptionist who is issuing this document to the guest, uh, of course, this person would be somebody who is doing the check-in. So this receptionist must sign. I don't know if it's visible to you or not. Maybe the video is there in that space. So this space here is signature of the receptionist. So if the guest forgets to sign here, then it is responsibility of this receptionist who has issued this document. So you see that these simple documents, these documents which look rather ordinary, but they serve great purposes in a hotel, and they contribute to effective and efficient functioning of the hotel. So that's all in this video. If you have any questions regarding this document, you can ask questions through the comments in this video on my channel, and I'll show you the other part of the card once more. This is the front of the card and this is the back of the card. Thank you once again for watching and being with me. Have a pleasant day and have a great career.